Some fucking people are coming to my door. I'm going to fucking scare the shit out of them. Should be fun. Hi. Just fine. What can I do for you?
Just sharing a thought of encouragement. We see a lot of things happening in the world today. And, many people wonder what we might have, as far as solutions.
Jehovah Witness?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm a devout Satanist.
Well, exactly know how to answer that. Could I ask why? Is there any great reason?
My whole family, we have been for years.
Mm-hmm.
San Francisco First Church of Satan. But thank you, y'all have a wonderful
All right.
day.
Well, you have a great day, sir.
Hail Satan.